Hey guys, today, let's learn to use Visual Lookup on iPhone iOS 17. So if you guys want to go ahead and use the new Visual Lookup options that you have on your iOS 17 softwares, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this, step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so in order for us to actually use the Visual Lookup option, all we need to do to accomplish this is to actually have a photo already ready for us to look up. So once you have that photo already enabled, and for you to use, of course, I'm gonna use an example right now. I'm gonna launch my Photos app real quick. So as you see, guys, I've already chose any specific photo on here, and all we need to do, press on the specific subject, and we should see an option to look up the specific photo on our screens right here, on the top side of the state and time settings. Is easier right now. The specific lookup option is not necessarily showing on my photo, since maybe the iPhone doesn't detect a specific subject to look up. So all we need to do from here is to basically choose a specific subject so that the iPhone AI technology could actually look up or detect a specific subject to look up and give you some search results. So it's that easy, guys. All we need to do, press on the photo and then swipe up so that we can see these details. And that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.